Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power lift gate, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, electronic stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.